Hi, I'm Dr. Ava, co founder of AcYou Health, and I want to thank you for taking the first step toward uncovering what's really going on beneath the surface of your health. If you've been dealing with chronic symptoms like fatigue, inflammation, anxiety, or just that feeling of something's off, I see you. You're not alone. And I created this quiz to help you get clarity on where your mind, body, and energy may need deeper support. We look at optimal health through our root cause pyramid. What do you feed your body for restoration and vitality? And what are you feeding your spirit with alignment with your deeper purpose and energetic balance? Your results show which pillar may need the most attention right now. And I've included some personalized action steps to help you get started just below this video. If you're ready for answers that go beyond symptoms and guesswork, I'd love to invite you to book a Quest for Root Cause Scan. It's a non invasive bioenergetic scan that reveals what your body is asking for. And it includes custom remedies and a written summary to guide you on your reset. You're already on your healing path by taking this quiz. Now let's make it personalized, simple, and effective. Just click the button below to explore your scan options and take the next step toward your reset. I'm so glad you're here. Now let's begin your transformation.